Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're tackling a common crypto task, transferring Bitcoin from Uphold to Metamask in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has become more straightforward, but it's crucial to do it right to keep your assets safe. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or exploring DeFi opportunities, I'll walk you through this step by step. First off, before we dive in, make sure you have both an Uphold account with some Bitcoin in it and Metamask installed on your device. Note that Metamask is primarily for Ethereum-based assets, so for Bitcoin transfers, you might need to use a compatible wallet or a bridged version of BTC. But let's assume we're working with the latest integrations for 2025. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Head over to your dashboard and locate your Bitcoin wallet. It's usually easy to find under your asset list. Step 2. Once you're in your Bitcoin wallet, look for the Send or Withdraw button. Click on it to start the process. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to check any network fees that might apply. Step 3. Now, switch to your Metamask app or extension. If you're dealing with Bitcoin directly, ensure you're on the correct network or using a wrapped Bitcoin token. Copy your Metamask wallet address. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Back in Uphold, paste the Metamask address into the recipient field. Add the amount and any required memo or tag if prompted. Take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Step 5. Hit Confirm to send the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and it might take a few minutes to a few hours for the Bitcoin to appear in your Metamask wallet, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication and verify addresses on blockchain explorers to prevent scams. There you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Uphold to Metamask in 2025. It's simple once you know the steps, but stay vigilant in the crypto space. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.